What's up, YouTube? God damn. That's the homie for real. I love that guy. That's why I did that. God damn, dude, I'm gonna have no fucking gas. Fuck. And of course we're on this fucking road. Cops everywhere, dude. Because I 100% would just fucking pull the fuck into that gas station. Or not, I mean, obviously I'm going to the gas station. I need that shit, dude. What the fuck? Come on. Let's go. I need gas. I knew it. I knew there'd be a cop if I did it. Look at that shit, dude. Boy, don't you pull out. Whee! Oh my God. I got an interesting topic for today's video, though. God damn, if I can get my damn wallet out, shit. I don't know why I always struggle with that shit, dude. I forgot this place doesn't have tap pay for some reason. Alright. Should I get a receipt? No. Oh. Well, now I'm sad. I didn't get to press no. Oh well. No one saw that. Actually, everyone did. Shout out to all the hate comments. Actually, you know what? I'm just kidding. I love y'all. I don't really care for hate comments. Shit don't bother me. I may reply and egg it on though, because I'm petty like that. But it really don't bother me. Keep commenting. I love y'all. Regardless. Sorry it's windy. I tried moving the mic again. I have a wind curtain on the way. Because oh whoa, slippery tires. Come on now. But yeah, hopefully it's not too bad. It is a windy day, of course. It's spring, which does suck, but we'll see. And just cruise, because why not? I really hope it isn't too windy. I wonder if I cover it up if it helps. Probably not. I am working on a solution though, don't worry. But yeah, I ordered a wind curtain for my helmet because my dumbass threw it away when it caught it. So hopefully that helps with some of the damn wind noise. I am going to tape up my front vents as well. Hope that helps as well. If not, then I'll figure something out some way, somehow. I'm doing everything I can, I promise. I know the wind noise isn't great. I may not even make this a video because of how bad it is. We shall see. my god, why is there so much dirt on the ground? Holy shit, dude. Yeah, you're trying to kill me, man. Look at all the birds. There's so many of them. There's more. Oh, God. Why are we going so slow? Why are we going so slow? Bro, it's a green light up here. Fuck. They were totally slow. Going way too slow. But yeah, that's just that is one thing I wanted to talk about in this video was hate comments. I got a lot of hate comments on one of my videos because of it being too much clickbait. Which I agree, it was a little clickbaity, and I do apologize deeply for that. I did change the name of the title. I did add on a lot of comments for it, and wait for it to hit almost 1,000 views, which also thank y'all for that. I mean, god damn, I never thought I'd honestly get past 100 views on a video, which I mean, I'm proving myself wrong. I know my audio isn't the best yet. I am working on that, I promise. You gotta remember, I do work for a living, unfortunately, 12-hour shifts every single day, which y'all don't really care. But I'm doing my best, y'all. I really am. I'm trying to get more content with the bike. I do have a gimbal now. I plan on trying to get more content with that if I can at all. But if you don't know what a gimbal is, it's basically a way to keep your camera as steady as possible and make some good fucking videos. Ooh, I hate this part because they're doing a lot of construction right here. Ugh. And I don't really want to dodge and weave too much because of another comment though. Speaking of hate comments, another comment said I ride in too high of RPMs. And I do. I know I do. I kind of do that a little bit. I don't do it much. I do it a little bit every now and then. Just for the video. That way whenever I'm like letting off the gas or some shit, dude, you get the pops. You know what I mean? Because the pops are nice. If you could hear them when I had good audio, you know. So I'm working on what I can. I promise I'm gonna get better. Just give me time. Come on, I'm tired of this stop and go shit.